Okay guys, we're gonna blow up some fireworks. Alright, we got water, we got the 2 fireworks, and we got Taco. Hello! We're Taco, say hi. Wait, Dad, say hi to the viewers.
Hello everybody.
Alright, let's go! Alright, Dad. We will.
The light back over here so I can see.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna go that way a little bit.
Alright.
And then we'll go up straight. Okay, that's straight. So that'll go straight up. Blow up there, right?
Yeah, so would it blow up?
Yeah, I just don't want it to go that way.
Alright, Dad.
Trees
No, I'm gonna grab this and you, and we're gonna go like over there.
We don't have to run.
Onto lights.
Just stay right here. We'll just go over there a little bit. Let's just gonna shoot up in the air, dude. Okay?
Yeah, it's kind of twisted. Alright. Wait, Dad, hold this. One. Oh, I can get. Alright. Dang it, I missed it. It was like over there. Dad, it was.
It didn't blow up though, did it? It didn't go pop, huh?
Yeah, it didn't go.
It just went. Fucking shot off like a missile though, huh?
No, like I popped a little bit.
Did it?
Yeah, wait, Dad. We're on a taco. We're on sit like right in here. And look at Taco. Let's go, let's go. Look at Taco. Look at Taco. Look at Taco.
Nobody. Look, the bottle's still full of smoke.
Yeah, it's still full of smoke. Alright, Dad. Make sure the one wants it. Okay, it's going. Oh! Oh, let's go.
Those aren't very loud, huh?
Yeah, those
They're
sounds
pretty cool, though.
very loud. But guys, like and subscribe if you want us to do more. Right, Dad?
We got more, yep.
Yes, just like and subscribe, then we'll do part 2. Okay. Hi. Okay, now I'm gonna go inside. Look at Taco again. Alright, Taco's fine, yo. Okay.
Blast off like straight up like rocket.
Yeah, I did.
Like a little mini rocket.
Yeah, I did. Well, hold on. Wait, hold on.
You stopped it, right? Okay.
Subscribe for part 2.
Subscribe for part 2.
Yeah, subscribe.